There's a strange truth about college which nobody talks about. Everyone posts their achievement, their internship, their skill, and their marks. But actually, nobody has idea what they're doing inside. But the truth is, nobody actually knows what they're doing. They are just good at pretending it. And once you realize this, you start noticing everywhere in college. एंड जब भी तुम किसी को कॉन्फिडेंट देखते हो यू सी दैट इट इज़ एन इल्यूजन बिकॉज इस कॉन्फिडेंट चेहरे के पीछे देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क प्रेशर फेयर ऑफ फेलिंग फेयर ऑफ लेफ्ट आउट फेयर ऑफ लोनलीनेस दैट हिट्स एट नाइट देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस एंड प्रेशर बिहाइंड इट. Have you ever sat in class and felt like कि मुझे कुछ नहीं आते? Everyone has their marks figured out, their careers figured out, their skills figured out. उनको कब क्या करना है, कौन सी जॉब पे जाना है, कौन सा career पे जाना है. They have everything figured out, and you think you're feeling behind. You do not know what to do. Some people already talk about their dream career, their dream jobs, or the dream cars they want. Some people are good at speaking very confidently in class, and some people already have a very big circle to chill out with. And slowly, you start thinking that am I the only one who completely feel lost? And college is one of the easiest place to compare yourself with others. Because हर दिन जब तुम college जाते हो, you start comparing yourself. Someone has got better marks, someone has got better skills, better internship, better job, better CGPA. You start comparing. और compare करने से you lose your inner confidence and you start questioning every single thing which comes to you. And without realizing, you start believing that everyone is ahead of you. But here's something which most students realize later. That many of the people who look very confident, they are just hiding their nervousness. Some students don't know what career they want. Some students don't know what major and minor they want. They're just struggling and feeling behind. Nobody wants to admit it, and here's a simple reason. Because nobody wants to look lost. Everybody wants to look कि हमें सब पता है, हमें अपने करियर में क्या करना है, लाइफ में क्या करना है, कैसे ग्रो होना है, कैसे क्या करना है. एवरीबडी थिंक्स कि उनको सब पता है. ठीक है, किसी को बुरा नहीं दिखना है लोगों के सामने कि मुझे कुछ पता नहीं. ही इज लाइक अ डम पर्सन, ही डजंट नो व्हाट टू डू. पीपल आर सो स्कैर्ड ऑफ बीइंग जज कि वो हमें देख के क्या बोलेंगे. दे विल जज अस, एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग दैट आई एम कंफ्यूज्ड, they say I am confident enough to speak, and they say that we have a clear plan, we have a clear roadmap, even when they're still figuring out their things quietly and silently. One of the biggest things I realized in college was just because some people looks confident, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि they are not confused, they are not struggling in their life. Struggle हर बंदा कर रहा है. It's just that कि some people find their way earlier and some people takes time to find their way. And it's normal if you take time because college is all about trying and testing with and experimenting with new things so that you can choose your right path where to excel in life. Feeling lost in college or feeling yourself behind is very normal. Because you are in the process of discovering who you are and who you actually want to be. College is not the place where everyone's life is figured out. It is the place where everyone has to test and try what is best for them. But I'm curious about something. Do you actually know what you want to do after college, or you're still figuring out like me? If you're a student trying to figure out your life step by step, just remember you're not the only one. I'm also there. And if you're navigating your life, growth, confusion, pressure, anxiety, loneliness, one step at a time, then this channel is basically a place for students like us.